Okay, Eric, dito lang. Okay, we are ready now to sing.
Ang ganda mo, sabi niya.
Okay,
Isa mo din.
everybody sing ha.
Excited. Alam mo, first aid nila eh.
Hey, hey! You have this for your birthday and
I don't really know what to say. I'm not afraid. I'm going to sustain it. Ayun.
Play na yung ABB.
I was
Play
really
na yung ABB, tapos ano na.
Then I managed to, I managed to survive although I've been watching it I really appreciate those people who stayed by my side. Thank you guys. Yung wish ko ngayon, siguro, maging kind ako sa sarili ko kasi pessimistic kasi
Yung make up ate. Ate Mali yan. Uulit ka pa ba magpa-make up?
ano, dinadal ko sa sarili ko. I'm not ready for this stuff yet.
Ayaw mo yan.
Sad. And yung butterfly with myself on. Pinakalaban ko lang sa sarili ko. So, I'd say I'm the problem. Sana maging kind ako sa sarili ko. Sana maging, just be kind. Maging okay ako and be positive. Let's go to the right direction. And try to be more optimistic. Yan.
Love you! Love you!
I would like to take a moment to sincerely thank everyone who joined us tonight. Your presence made this celebration truly meaningful, and I'm deeply grateful to each of you. So, to those who traveled or just to be here, thank you for the effort and time you shared with us. So, and I would also like to extend my appreciation to everyone who worked behind the scenes to make this night possible. Actually, sobrang tagal na ito. Namumove yung date. No one, July pa lang, nag-try na sila mag-look for venues, So yeah. First and foremost, I would like to thank my mom. This celebration would not happen without you.
Love you, ate!
Thank you, mommy,
That's your love!
for your constant love, support, and share. All the sacrifices you've made for us. Everything tonight reflects the care and effort that you poured into making this moment special. I would also like to express my gratitude to Tita Jel, who organized much of this event and she handled countless details with great dedication. So, to Tita Jel's friend and nag-help sa kanya, I may not be unable to name everyone, pero thank you for your support and assistance throughout the preparation. So, yeah, please know that your efforts are truly appreciated. To Tita Chin, dito kaya kay Sam, kay Papa, and everyone who helped plan, prepare for tonight. Thank you very much. To my family, thank you. Kasi you made this night possible. No? So, thank you for always being there.
Go, ate!
Go, bro.
Thank you for always being there. I love you all. To my friends, relatives who celebrated with us tonight, thank you for sharing this meaningful occasion. And to those who have been with me through every season of my life, who have seen me at my lowest, witnessed my struggles, and still choose to say thank you. This past year has not been easy for me, and I'm aware of my imperfections. So, to those who continue to understand me, support me, and remain by my side, despite everything, I am deeply thankful. So, tonight reminded me how fortunate I am to be surrounded by people who genuinely care.
Ang ganda yung English speaking. Mana-mana ka kay Mami, Dinuntok ko na yung ilong ko.
So, thank you to my mom, my family, our friends, the suppliers, catering team, Light and Sounds, the DJ, the host, everyone who contributed to making this night possible. I hope you enjoyed the evening, and I wish you all a safe journey home. Thank you very much, and good night. Thank you, everyone.
Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday!
Birthday area. Now you can sit and watch this special video.
Shin. Low.
We proceed to the AMP now. Area, you can watch the video setting for you. This one is,
ang bilis.
memories coming from your mom. Thank